Goa deserves a secular, progressive, and a performing government. And this government which is existing is a non-functional, defunct, zero administration government. Parrikar government has been reduced as a failure. Is a gross failure. 2017 इलेक्शना ते जावन ताका हाडलो ताणी मुख्यमंत्री म्हणून आनी तो आयिल्ल्याक एकूय गोंयचो मुद्दो सुटावो जाल्लो ना. आतां म्हणटा तो दुयेंत आसा आनी अशा परिस्थितींत गोंयकार सफर जातात. BJP is in a chaotic state, but they have no right to make our administration chaotic. And therefore, once again, we appeal to the allies of the BJP to take a conscientious decision in the interest of Goa and desert this BJP which is ruining Goa, which is ruining the administration of Goa, which is ruining the governance of Goa. Economic slowdown जालें, meltdown जालें, आता economic collapseाचेर पावलां, administrative collapseाचेर पावलां.